This short will be more interesting if you watch it till the end. We have compiled a list of 10 rare and bizarre animals that will leave you speechless. Number 10. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is one of the strangest looking sharks ever. This shark has an elongated and flattened head that looks like a humanoid face with a protruding lower jaw. It has large, dark eyes that look like they are bulging out of its sockets. Its mouth is filled with long, sharp teeth that are constantly growing throughout its life. The skin of the goblin shark is rough and scaly, and it has a pale pink color that makes it stand out from other sharks. Goblin sharks are known to have a very slow metabolism, which means that they do not need to eat very often. They typically feed on other fish and squid, and they use their large eyes to detect prey in the darkness of the deep sea. Despite their strange appearance, goblin sharks are actually quite elusive, and not much is known about them because they live in the deep sea and are rarely caught by humans. 9. Transparent bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins are known for their grace, cuteness, and intelligence. But this one takes things to another level. The transparent bottlenose dolphin was discovered in 2006 in the waters off the coast of Australia. Since then, only a few sightings have been reported. This dolphin has a translucent body that allows you to see all of its internal organs, such as its heart, lungs, and intestines. This is due to a genetic mutation that affects the pigmentation of its skin. As a result, this dolphin is also known as the ghost dolphin or the skeleton dolphin. Despite its unusual appearance, the transparent bottlenose dolphin is just as intelligent and playful as any other dolphin. It can swim at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and can jump up to 25 feet in the air. Nonocho. Pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo is a small mammal that lives in South America. It is known for its unique appearance, which includes a pink shell, a long snout, and a furry body. These animals are only found in a small area of Argentina and Europe. The pink fairy armadillo gets its name from its shell, which is a modified rib cage that protects its body. The shell is made up of several plates that are connected by ligaments, allowing the animal to bend and move its shell as needed. The plates are covered in small scales that give the shell a bumpy texture. The pink fairy armadillo is a nocturnal animal that spends its days sleeping in burrows that it digs using its claws. It feeds on insects and other small invertebrates that it finds in the soil. Despite its strange appearance, the pink fairy armadillo is an elusive creature that is rarely seen by humans. Number 7. Blue chicken. The blue chicken is a rare breed of chicken that has a striking blue color instead of the typical white or brown feathers. This unique color is caused by a genetic mutation that affects the production of melanin, the pigment that gives skin, hair, and feathers their color. The blue chicken has a mutation that causes it to produce less melanin, resulting in its distinctive blue plumage. The mutation is recessive, meaning that both parents must carry the gene for the offspring to have the blue color. Despite its unusual color, the blue chicken is just like any other chicken. It lays eggs, clucks, and can be domesticated. However, it is a very rare breed and is not commonly found in commercial poultry farms. Number 6. Red panda. The red panda is a small, furry animal that is related to the raccoon and the giant panda. It is known for its reddish fur, bushy tail, and its love of bamboo. The red panda is native to the Eastern Hemisphere and is found in countries like India, Nepal, and Bhutan. Despite its name, the red panda is not actually a panda and it is not closely related to the giant panda. The red panda is a solitary animal that is most active during the day. It spends its time climbing trees and eating bamboo. It is also a good swimmer and is often seen swimming in rivers and streams. The red panda is an endangered species due to habitat loss and poaching. Its fur was once highly prized and it was hunted for its pelt. Today, the red panda is protected by law, and there are conservation efforts underway to protect its habitat and increase its population. Number 5. Saiga antelope. The saiga antelope is a medium-sized antelope with a very distinctive appearance. It has a large, bulbous nose that hangs down from its face, giving it a kind of sad expression. Its fur is sandy brown in color, and it has long, slender legs. The saiga antelope is found in the steppes and deserts of Central Asia. It is a highly endangered species, with only a few thousand individuals left in the wild. The main threats to its survival are poaching and habitat loss. The saiga antelope is known for its strange mating ritual. During the breeding season, the males will gather in groups and engage in a kind of mock fight to establish dominance. They will snort, stamp their feet and charge at each other, but they never actually fight seriously. Number 4. Axolotl. The axolotl is a type of salamander that is native to Mexico. It is known for its unique appearance and its ability to regenerate limbs. The axolotl is a neotenic species, which means that it retains its larval features even when it reaches sexual maturity. This means that it has a larval tail and external gills. The axolotl is a very popular species among aquarium enthusiasts because of its unusual appearance and its ability to regenerate limbs. No. 3. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole is a small mammal that is found in North America. It is known for its distinctive star-shaped nose, which it uses to sniff out food. The star-nosed mole is a nocturnal animal that spends its days sleeping in underground burrows. It feeds on a diet of earthworms, grubs, and other small invertebrates. The star-nosed mole is an extremely agile creature, and it is able to move through the undergrowth with ease. Its star-shaped nose helps it to navigate through tight spaces, and it is also able to swim underwater using its whiskers as feelers. Number 2. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is a very strange-looking shark that is found in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It has a long, slender body with a wide mouth full of sharp teeth. The most distinctive feature of the frilled shark is its frill, which is a thin membrane that extends from its head and neck. The frill is used for display purposes and is more developed in males than females. Frilled sharks are known to be very slow-moving creatures, and they typically feed on small fish and squid. Despite its strange appearance, the frilled shark is a relatively small creature, and it rarely reaches a length of more than 1.5 meters. Number 1. A. The A is a strange-looking lemur that is found in the forests of Madagascar. It has a thin, slender body with large eyes and ears. The most distinctive feature of the eye is its long, thin fingers, which it uses to tap on trees and listen for the sound of insects. When it locates an insect, it uses its long, narrow snout to suck it out of its hole. Eyas are nocturnal animals, and they spend their days sleeping in groups. They are primarily insectivores, but they will also eat fruit and leaves. Eyas are very shy creatures, and they are rarely seen by humans. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up comment below the rarest animal that you have seen in your life. Subscribe for more amazing videos.